Here's how you can sign on just an extra 30 to 60 clients in these next 30 days. And it doesn't require paid ads, doesn't require organic outreach, and it doesn't even require you to even send a video, send a Loom, cold call, nothing. You're going to use your current clientele to get you more clients predictably in these next 30 days. If you have 30 clients right now who are dedicated, who are paying every single month, who are what we call like our winning clients, people who will always live and die with us, right? If you take those 30 clients right now and you contact every single one of them, you say, hey, listen, you've been with us for X amount of months, X amount of years. I just want you to put me in 5 group chats with 5 business owners that you know personally that would benefit from our services, that you know are ready to buy today, right? And they make those 5 group chats. Now think about this, 30 clients times 5 is 150 group chats, right? So you have 150 chats, let's say on the low end, right? You close every 2 out of the 5. That's what, 40%? So if you close around 60 people, you can close 60 new clients just by doing this referral system.